Updating database pricing. So the quickest way to do this, if it's with a supplier that we do not currently have an integration with, in any of your estimates, you can come in here and select this pricing button in the top left here. And it's going to generate an Excel file for you that you can save. And I'm going to put it right here and open this up. And in this Excel file, you can see all of the items out of this particular estimate. And if I needed to, I could update pricing on any of these items in here. And when I save this file and close it, the next step is to go into the database editor. Select pricing here and select the profile you want to attach this pricing into. So for example, if I had sent this off to CED, they had priced it up for me, and I was going to bring it back in here, I can simply click in this gray box here and go to my downloads. And here we go. I can grab that file, hit open, and it's going to import it and apply it to my database in here. So if I come back in here, I do have to make sure that CED is one of the suppliers enabled on this particular estimate here. Here we go. And I can drag CED up to the top here, save that, and refresh my summary screen. And here we go. I now have my CED price in here. If there was existing pricing, it's going to warn me here that there is a new price. I can simply right click and hit accept new price on that line, and it will apply my new price that has been imported here. I can also right click and select accept all new prices if there's a whole bunch in here that get updated.